Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to have a week full of flavorful food that my family of four enjoys. I'm preparing to cook this delicious catfish etouffee mixed with some jasmine rice. Pour it in the pot, some water, hot water. Boil the rice. Keep flipping and frying that catfish. Can't you smell it through the video? It was so delicious. This rice, nice, clean, and delicious with some peppers and the roux. Don't forget the roux. It adds to the flavor of the catfish etouffee. You gotta add those onions as well as some cilantro. Keep it green always. It adds a wonderful flavor to everything. Rice is done. Let's showcase what we've made. Look at that nice brown catfish on top of the rice and the gravy with the peppers and the onions. I must tell you, this is one of my favorite fall meals to make. I love this smell and it simply tastes delicious. Yum, oh yum. Real easy to make too. Catfish, peppers, onions, jasmine rice. Whip it up in an evening and you got a meal. Next, I'm going to make my shrimp gravy and grits. Put all that good seasoning on it. One thing I can tell you, this liquid smoke and this Creole seasoning makes this a masterpiece. Simply delicious. I'm learning how to cook grits better too. And that's a little piece of the leftover catfish from the other day. It made a scrumptious meal. Everybody enjoyed it. Another awesome fall meal. You can't let the day go by without some white macadamia cookies. Dessert is always wanted. Soup, day 3, 4, one of those days, we decided to make it light green and healthy with some soup. And as you can see, quick, simple, easy put together with that spinach salad with homemade turkey bacon and honey mustard dressing. Again, dessert, salted caramel cheesecake. Ooh-wee. I'm telling you, this was an Aldi special. Then I got these apple cider donuts, another perfect combination for the fall with some hot chocolate or some coffee. My tuna creations, this hickory smoked tuna is amazing. I always mix it with regular tuna just to give it a little spice. And then I love cheese and crackers and wine. I got this sweet potato chicken sausage pizza. This came from Aldi's as well. I love the holidays because they have so many wonderful different things. Candy heart grapes taste just like candy too. They were absolutely delicious. And then this is a great snack. Almond sweet and smoky spicy bars. They are so good for late night snacks. And then my strawberry nectar. Now I mix this with banana sometimes, or I just drink it by itself. Here's my another snack of mine that I love, sweet spicy chili. I found this at the store, and these are really, really good. Smoothie mix. I love making smoothies during the fall time, especially when I don't have time to eat. Peanut butter crackers, nice midnight snack or during the day snack. And then here we go with my asparagus. When I tell you I love mixing vegetables with sesame seed oil, it really just gives a different taste and flair to it. There you go, boiling that quinoa. Yes, now I'm not a real big fan of quinoa, but this was a really good meal with my salmon. As you can see, we eat a lot of salmon in our house. And this right here, frozen or iced pina colada. Look, since I couldn't be somewhere traveling this year, I decided to make my own pina coladas at home. This was pretty good. Got a great deal on it too. And then I'm mixing all of this together, and this is what you get: stuffed salmon with quinoa and asparagus. Oh, yum. Then we decided to take a night off and go out to dinner with a family of 4. Nachos were delicious. That salad, as you can see, my oldest is over there having a good time eating, hubby, and my glass of wine. Oh, yum. Came back home next day, cooked some chicken, and this was good too. I don't know what I did different, but it was literally falling off the bones. You gotta have your veggies in there. I love potatoes mixed together, sweet potato, Yukon potatoes. It just really gives a different taste and flavor and make it root vegetables fall. Tastes delicious. Yum. So good. Then you gotta have that green all the time. I try my best to eat healthy, but broccoli with sesame seed oil, so yum. Made that chicken, squeezed lemon on top of it. And then these are some of my favorite seasonings. I put garlic powder on just about everything. Lemon pepper adds zest and zing to it. And then that Kansas City dry rub. Ooh-wee. And a squeeze of lemon, as I mentioned. This was another fabulous meal. Simply made in my kitchen. You don't have to go out all the time. You can cook food at your home. And then I would be remorse to not mention I had to add a salad. Here's breakfast. This is a fried egg with some tomatoes, roasted tomatoes, cilantro, a little toast. Simple, quick, and easy breakfast. Lunch, we had a Caesar salad with a turkey wrap with some guac on the side. Dinner, simply made. This was lunch. Lunch simply made at home. And then again, here we go with our fish and salad. That was a great combination with some spinach salad, some Caesar salad. Made another wrap with this dressing here, you guys, is so delicious. And I'm hooked on this cheese fire habanero with a wrap. Simply quick, simple, and easy. And then I went out the next day and had me some blueberry and carrot cake pancakes with a fried egg and some chicken sausage. This is one of my favorite restaurants in town. Their pancakes are to live for. Then salad, another salad for the week with salmon. Again, this time I barbecued the salmon, smoked it. It was simply delicious. I love Thousand Island dressing. I'm probably the only one, me and my son, who just simply cannot live without that dressing. It's an old school favorite. Tossed up that salad, definitely a red onion with my tomato and Provel cheese. Makes it a So we head back to another dish made by myself. This again is shrimp grits and gravy, and I must tell you, this one tastes much better than the first one I cooked. Again, sometimes I don't know what I do to meals, but when I cook it a second time, it just has a whole different flavor. So I'm just boiling some rice today. I'm going to mix it with something. I don't know. But I think I'm going to mix some fish with it. It makes it complete. With Old Bay seasoning, lemon, of course. This particular day, I had a taste for some lasagna. That's my turkey sausage there. All that cheese, that delicious sauce. It's from a jar, but so what? It was still good. Then I mix it with some spinach. Add some more turkey sausage. Yes. This was so good, you guys. Everybody ate the whole pan up. Then you have to add your mozzarella cheese. It's like a nightcap for the lasagna. And this bourbon barbecue sauce, ooh wee, y'all, this was so good. Sauce cheesed up, and this is what it looked like when I served my family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.